the cryptocurrency market recently experienced a striking divergence in performance. While most assets remained flat or declined, one token, Hyperliquid's HYPE, surged to $62.50 in May, capturing attention and prompting traders to reevaluate their positions. The sudden rise of HYPE has sparked conversations about whether similar momentum could be replicated elsewhere, especially in the XRP community, which has long awaited a breakthrough. XRP's price remains stuck around $1.35, unable to overcome resistance levels formed by long-term moving averages. These levels have repeatedly prevented upward movement despite occasional investor optimism. Unlike HYPE, XRP lacks a deflationary framework that systematically reduces token supply and boosts scarcity. HYPE's success is partly attributed to its structured buybacks, which use a portion of profits to retire tokens and create artificial scarcity. This scarcity model increases buying pressure and helps retain value during market volatility. In contrast, XRP's supply and demand dynamics are more traditional, relying on market forces rather than engineered scarcity. With token reserves, most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Held by exchanges like Binance at $2.74 billion, XRP requires a massive capital influx to see even modest price gains. This structural difference makes HYPE more sensitive to buying pressure and more likely to maintain upward momentum. Meanwhile, XRP's community is closely watching for regulatory developments that could shift the asset's trajectory. Recent inflows into XRP spot ETFs reached $12.57 million weekly, pushing assets under management to $1.15 billion. While this is a positive sign, it has not yet translated into significant price movement. Traders are analyzing whether these ETF inflows could serve as a catalyst for XRP to break through its resistance levels. However, the market remains cautious, with many investors waiting for clearer signals before committing capital. The broader question is whether XRP can leverage regulatory clarity or ETF momentum to overcome its technical hurdles. If XRP can break above $1.35 and hold above key moving averages, it could signal a shift in sentiment and attract broader institutional interest. Until then, HYPE's success serves as both an example and a benchmark for what's possible when scarcity and buyback mechanisms are aligned with market demand. For XRP, the next signal will be whether regulatory developments or a surge in spot trading volume can create enough momentum to break through the resistance lines. Until that happens, XRP's price will likely remain in a consolidation phase, waiting for the right conditions to shift direction. The stakes for XRP are high, as most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. It faces not only technical resistance, but also the challenge of competing with tokens that have more aggressive mechanisms for value retention. If XRP is to follow in HYPE's footsteps, it will need a combination of favorable regulatory news, sustained buying pressure, and a strong institutional adoption narrative. For now, the market is watching closely, waiting for the next move that could either break the stalemate or confirm that XRP will remain on the sidelines of the next major crypto rally.